What is up, guys? Welcome to another live stream. I hope you all have a wonderful day and smash the likes the way in. So today I'll keep it short and simple. Do you think alt season is still coming? Yes. Do you think there is still a lot of opportunities right now? Yes. Am I a financial advisor? No, so don't trust me, okay? Now let's get to it. I'll be ranking altcoins from the best to the worst and everything in between. If you have a pick, drop it in the chat and I might review it. But let's get into it, guys. Let's just check if the sound is okay first. What is up? I do believe it's okay. I do believe it's okay, but if it's trash, just let me know. Thank you. Now, we see a lot of altcoins bouncing right now. What the hell is this? Vita Inu? Anyway, let's get to the tier list. Alright, let's just, like I said, let's keep it short and simple. I have a lot of picks on the screen right now. 38, and yeah, it's going to be more, obviously, because you guys are going to give me some picks as well. So first, Tau. I think Tau is a top tier project. Currently, in a nice discount. I believe like 50%. Let's just see. Right now it's sitting at a $359. And it was $767, which means it's in a 53% discount. Now, subscribe to the channel if you want a deep dive on Tau, because tomorrow or in 2 days I will have another upload on BitTensor. I'm very bullish, lots of catalysts are coming. They will be getting a Coinbase listing. So if you were in my group, I don't think, never mind. I got the exchange listing bot, but I got it after the announcement of Tau getting listed on Binance, on Coinbase. So Tau is on the roadmap of Coinbase, and that's freaking bullish. It is already listed on Binance. But there's another catalyst with the dynamic Taus, or dynamic subnets. I'm very sorry. And yeah, I will do a deep dive tomorrow or in 2 days. But Tau definitely want to put on your watch list. It was too high for my liking at first, but hey, almost every pick went down significantly, and that opens new opportunities, right? So let me know if you're holding Tau. I'm freaking bullish, man. It's the leading AI pick, you know, and in my opinion, this is going to be an AI narrative bull run. So not only a meme coin super cycle, utility picks, and especially AI picks, they will make a lot of people happy and catch a lot of people off guard. So that's Tau. What's next? I think Virtuals is worth it right now. We saw a lot of AI agents just exploding through the roof. Virtuals as well. So right now, it's in a decent discount. However, just don't lump a whole chunk on this one, okay? It's in a nice discount, but where is the bottom? I don't think it bottomed out yet. But I do think it's worth it to put on your list. 730 million in market cap. It used to be $5 and currently sitting at $1.13. I do believe that this one is very interesting considering it's listed on all the big tier 2s. Not a single tier 1, even though the volume is just huge. 105 million on the daily. So that's Virtuals. I do think it's worth it to hold. It's in a nice discount and the party didn't even start yet, right? Right? Now, let's start with some trashy pick. ICP, not worth it. I know ICP is the normie's favorite, but be honest. What you should know if you're new to crypto, the best tech doesn't mean the best investment, right? ICP is an altcoin. It got manipulated by FTX and now it's down how much? I'll take the chart, but it is a L chart, man. It's a huge L chart. So it's currently sitting at $7. Look at this, guys. Don't invest into something like this. If the chart is looking like this, stay away. 90% down from all-time high. And what are the catalysts? I mean, it's on all the biggest exchanges. So investment-wise, it's not worth it. It is just not worth it. And if you have some other alpha, if I'm wrong, I'm open for everything, okay? Just give me some feedback. But I don't think ICP is worth it. If you think otherwise, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Now, I had another one. I forgot to add it in here, I think. And that's, of course, XRP. I would never have... I never ever thought that XRP would go so high, man. I used to hold a lot of XRP. I sold it a few years ago at around 50, 60 cents. I bought them for like 25 cents a piece, so I didn't sell in loss, but hey, they surpassed the freaking $3, man, and I would never ever expected that. So currently it's sitting at $2.41. I don't think this can go a lot higher. So is it worth it to hold for a 2x or 3x? Definitely not. It's currently sitting at the local highs. The thing is, there's a lot of insiders. The team, they will be selling on you. Yeah, they will dump on your asses. So this project is centralized as fuck. I think they hold more than 60% supply. Also with a lot of... Look, the reason why a lot of people holding this is just the toxicness of the XRP army. I used to be a part of that as well 7 years ago. It's one big psyop. It's one big distraction. Okay? If you're investing into XRP right now, you will going to get wrecked. Banks won't buy XRP from you for 10,000 a piece. Don't ever believe that shit. And I don't know, man. Just stay away. Just stay away. XRP. Very centralized. Very manipulated. Plus, these fuckers are not our friends, right? The bankers. Why do you think bankers will, or the banking system will pump our bags? Hell no. Okay, another one. I think AVAX is worth it. Why? Because it didn't do shit. Plus, it's very correlated to gaming. Off the Grid, the biggest Web3 game, which will be coming out, is on the AVAX ecosystem. Could be a huge catalyst, right? But in my opinion, AVAX is very undervalued and I think it's worth it. It's a blue chip. You could say it's a normie coin, but all I see is bullish and bullish news on AVAX. Recently, they got partnered with Beam as well. So also a GameFi infrastructure, and I do think that it's a top tier project as well. So let's take a look at Beam because it's in a nice discount. And by the way, if you're buying any pick right now, it's not easy. It's not easy to make money, right? Because from here, I think everything will pump. Literally every shitcoin, when alt season starts, they will bounce back even harder than a pair of tits. Anyway, I do believe that this is a long-term hold. Beam. The question is, when will gaming perform, right? Maybe with Off the Grid launching, maybe with GTA 6, who knows? But I do think that Beam, risk-reward-wise, is one of the strongest projects. So they will also be investing into startups. So they have like 150 million on the side to do that because they want to make a global gaming hub from Abu Dhabi. So that's crazy. Okay, now currently Beam is sitting at 485 million in market cap with a volume to market cap ratio of 5%, very healthy. But look at the all-time chart, right? It went to 5 cents. So currently it's at a 78% discount. It's not even a penny now. Okay, so Beam is cheap as fuck. And if you take a look at the markets, guys, it's already on a Binance, but it's not even on big tier 2s like, you name it, BitGet, Bybit. It is on Bybit, right? It has to be on Bybit because I bought it on Bybit, but it doesn't show Bybit. That's crazy. I bought Beam on Bybit and it's not show. Oh, okay. It's showing Bybit right now. I was like, what? So a 40 billion, 50 billion for a gaming infrastructure play with all the catalysts left. I do believe that's very possible, but still a bit of a stretch. Take 50% of it. And that's like 25 billion. A 50x. That'll be nice. That'll be nice. 50x for Beam. Look, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have a crystal ball, but why not? Why not? If gaming will perform, Beam is doing a lot of things. Do your research on them. I'm not telling you to buy right now. Just put those picks on your watch list. Okay? Now, another one, Popcat. I do think it's worth it. I do think it's worth it. Why? Because I actually wanted to show you this in the first few minutes, but we got a listings bot in the private Discord. So we will be able to see which picks will get listed on Coinbase or Binance or another tier 1, which is a catalyst for a huge price pump. However, the market went terrible. People shitting in their pants. The market is in fear. The market went from greedy to fear in like what? 1 week? That's huge. So this wasn't the best time to get listed on Coinbase. However, they managed to get on the roadmap on Coinbase. So eventually they will get listed on Coinbase. I do believe that's very possible. So that's one catalyst, right? So if we take a look at the market cap, it's sitting at 275 and it went almost to the 2 billion. So again, in a nice discount, right? Like almost everything. So 86% down from all-time high with decent markets, all the big tier 2s. Look at how many pages, guys. That means a lot. That means there's a shitload of money behind this project. It is listed on 68 exchanges, guys. And what's lacking? Binance, Coinbase. It's on the roadmap of Coinbase. But hey, everything is very possible. Look at the volume. It's huge. So I'm pretty bullish on Popcat. You can see at the all-time chart that it's freaking cheap. So definitely to put on your watch list. Now let's do another one. Mavia. I know a lot of questions surrounding Mavia because the price action is just terrible. But hey, I always tell you to stay stoic. If you have conviction, don't let price action change your conviction if nothing is changed fundamentally, right? So Mavia, the chart is looking terrible. It's even down 98% from all-time high. So what the hell is happening? Someone is saying the team is selling, don't provide them your liquidity. Look, this is, I don't know if this is true. I need to do some more research on that. I don't believe that's true because I've been hearing this time after time with each bull run. There is a shakeout, people lose conviction, they are getting a depression, and they get fucked. Now I'm going to be honest, man, my Mavia bag got fucked as well, but it's a low cap, guys, yeah? Well, it wasn't a low cap. It was, how much was it in market cap? Wow. At one point it was 300 million in market cap, and now it's just 15 million. So you have to make like a 20x to get back on the same market cap. But the question is it that? No, it's not. Recently, they just updated their marketplace in the game. So I'm still playing this game. And as long as I'm playing this game and I see developments and updates, it's good, right? So it's definitely not a rug. It's a Dux team, Scry Studio. So even though Mavia wrecked my portfolio, not my portfolio, but my Mavia bag is just down significantly. The last time I DCA'd, I think it was this week. I just keep accumulating slowly. And if it's going to be a falling knife, then so be it. Now it's 15 million in market cap. Just be careful when you're accumulating. But I still have conviction because nothing changed fundamentally, okay? So I'm not trying to defend Mavia or something, but it's just a lot of noise, man. People lose conviction because of price action, and that's exactly why 90% of the people will get wrecked. It's hard, but it's true. So I still think it's worth it, especially at this price. It was worth it at 15 million. Now it's 4 times cheaper, so it's even more worth it, right? Another one. Caspa, I think it's top tier. Solves the trilemma. Proof of work. A lot of catalysts left for the big tier ones. And of course, the KRC20 smart contracts. So I'm bullish on Caspa. Right now, I think it's sitting at 10 cents or so. Huge discount. I still have conviction. So, yeah. Top tier project. And I know a lot of people just sold Caspa and lost conviction. Fuck that shit. Did you just tune in, mate? Is the bull run over? Come on. Oh, can you tell us how to look for tokenomics like supply, token unlocks, and inflation? I am a beginner. My friend, I have a lot of videos explaining that, but yeah, if you're watching right now, I'm actually doing a tier list video, but hey, it takes 1 minute. So we go to cryptorank.io. Yeah? Cryptorank.io. So what pick do you want to research? Okay, let's do a Solana gem, Neon Heroes. I will be ranking this one as well. Then you head over to vesting, my friend. And then you see the allocation. So you can see that, okay, these tokens go to community, some tokens go to the team and advisors, and some tokens are unlocked. Now, what does the unlock token means? That there is gonna be inflation, right? So the unlock events, when you scroll down, you see exactly how much will be unlocked, how much from the market cap, and of the max supply. So you can see easily how much dilution or inflation you have. So we scroll down, and then we scroll down. Okay, so this one looks like a 2x dilution, right? So unlocked is 4%. To be unlocked, 8%. So this is going to be unlocked. There will be twice as much tokens in circulation than it was before. That means your token price will go down by 50%, right? So this will happen in like 5 till 6 months. So I don't really care. Now, this is happening every, what? Let me check. Okay, so this won't be happening in 101 days. So there is no unlocks in the upcoming 3 months. But after that 3 months, it will go pretty quickly. Every week, you will see dilution. So 101 days, then we see 108 days, 115 days. So you can actually see, okay, then and then, there will be token unlocked. and I'm not sure who's going to get those tokens, then you can see it here, right? Early contributors, team and advisors, and in some cases you see a lot of early investors getting tokens, so you can expect a sell-off, right? So yeah, CryptoRank, very helpful. I use that site to actually take a look at the tokenomics and supply, token unlocks, etc. Not at the moment, my friend. Maybe later. Maybe if you comment one pick. Gaggy, how are you doing, bro? Long time no see. By the way, smash the likes the way in. Let's help me grow this channel. As you can see, I even liked it myself. And for the people watching on X, if you could just smash the like, maybe retweet it, that'll be very nice of you guys. So 16 views, we've seen better. All right. Let's get into this one. Not worth it. Which one is not worth it? Very difficult. Okay, I think it's worth it to hold SUI. I don't think it's top tier because it already skyrocketed amazingly. I'm not sure at what market cap is sitting at right now. Yeah, it's sitting on a 9.4 billion in market cap. Can SUI still do a 10x? I don't know. A 5 till 10x, that's possible, but I do believe it's worth it to hold. Why? There will be a lot of SUI projects, SUI meme coins. The whole SUI ecosystem is bullish as hell. And a lot of picks are underrated. And obviously, if you have some SUI in your wallet, you can get the SUI ecosystem picks early through a DEX or something. So just because of that, I think it's worth to hold SUI. Also, it's a safe store of value. In my opinion, for a minimum 5x. Very, very possible for SUI. It's already touching 10 billion. It's already listed on the biggest exchanges. So now it's just the question, how high will SUI go and how many people will actually adopt the ecosystem, right? So that about SUI. Now we got Shiba. I don't think it's worth it. It's an old coin. Yeah, it's old. It's shit. Now, same with Turbo on ETH. I think they are a bunch of crybabies. Also, it didn't even hit 1 billion, even though they got listed on Binance and Coinbase. I mean, how trash can you be? Wait, what? Are they listed on both? No, not both, I think, right? Oh, yes, it's listed on both. So that's even worse. They got on Binance, they got on Coinbase. They didn't even manage to hit 1 billion in market cap. Now it's down, how much? 73%, okay. That's decent, that's decent. 265 million in market cap. Is it worth it without any catalysts? In my opinion, not. So that's why I think it's a trash pick. Also, the team is very emotional, so yeah. It's not worth it. On the other hand, Based Turbo is worth it because the team are chats. The catalysts are still there. And guess what? It's sub 2 million in market cap. Yep, I'm still believing in this pick, even though it's down 92%. Low cap meme coins will bleed that much. It's normal. Now I do think we are bottomed out. We see a lot of picks bouncing back. We might see the market turn from neutral to greedy again in a few weeks. I think we've seen the worst. So, Based Turbo, there are already a few markets. They get trending a lot on Coinbase Wallet, on different platforms. And also, the game will come out very, very soon. I've played the test version. It's very, very unique. And man, I really hope that people like it, man. So if you want to win money while playing your new favorite game, just play the turbo game. Now this is the drift game, right? But there will be another one. I'm not sure if I can tell you guys, but it's a bit similar to Mario Kart. Very funny. You can play with different people, and then you have perks to wipe each other off from the track. So I'm kind of hyped up for that one. But there's a lot of things going on. The team speaks directly to me, so I know what's going on. So I can tell you with conviction that I believe in this project. So it is worth it. It is worth it. And let's get to Solana. It's still worth it. Wow, it's still worth it. Definitely. It's still worth it. So what is the price right now? $97. No, $97 billion in market cap. And it's sitting on $200. Okay. Still around the local tops, but it's consolidating for a few months as well. So how high can this project go? I'm actually curious to your opinions. Let me know right now. I will be reading. Do we see Solana do another 3x? 4x? I don't know. Maybe 2x for Solana? Let me know, let me know. How high will Solana go? Solana 2x? A 2x, that's a 200 billion in market cap like that. Sol is the layer 1. Pump fun. You know how much Solana is locked in wallets as lock liquidity with all these millions and millions of meme coins. That's a big advantage for Solana as well. So you could say it will make Solana steadier and less volatile as well. Locked Solana, nobody can touch it. Sky's the limit, man. I'm not sure how much money there will be flowing in this bull run. Right now, we are sitting at 3 trillion, and that's like the all-time high of previous bull run. They expect it to go like to 10 trillion, so there will be 3 times more money coming in than currently is. So yeah, Solana, yeah, at 2x. I do believe at 2x, but is it worth it? Just get Solana as a sort of a store of value on your wallet for a 2x or whatever, or a 3x even. But if you like degen trading, of course it's worth to hold Solana. If you want quick access, do some degen trading on Phantom. Excuse me. All right. Let's put some gas behind it. Another one, I do believe, top tier, freaking Landwolf. I called it at 17 million in market cap on this channel. It went to over the 240 million in market cap. Oh, wow. Thank you, Blaney. Thank you for the alpha. And now it's in a nice discount as well. But I do know there's millions and millions in the marketing wallet, which will be used for marketing pushes and exchange listings. So when I saw 0x67 between all those Landwolves, this one caught my eye immediately. Not only the branding, but also the people behind it. Plus, they had the best exchange listings. So everybody was looking at Landwolf Soul. I have no idea why. But this one was sitting at a 17 million in market cap with these kind of exchanges. and with a huge marketing wallets containing millions and millions. So I aped in that one and we made some nice multipliers, I think like a 15x or so. Now it's down again, 83% from all-time high. And there's another opportunity. So that's why I think Landwolf top tier project. Hell yeah. Now another one. I talked about Sui being worth it. I think that Deephook is a top tier project, as it is the backbone of the Sui ecosystem and my leverage play for the Sui ecosystem. So this was a clear winner. Also in my Patreon, I called this one at around 3 till 4 cents. And right now it's sitting at 17 cents. And remember, this one is down 48%. So imagine how much multipliers we had till the top. So look at this chart, man. It's looking so juicy. So Deephook protocol, 500 million in market cap. This one can go into the billions and billions, man. Look at the markets. Still the catalysts left. So Deephook protocol, put it on your watch list. Do your research on it. But I was kind of early on this project. Now, Neon Heroes, I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it. Why? It's a low cap gem, backed by Solana, backed by a lot of reputable backers and investors. So Neon Heroes is currently sitting, I'm not sure if CoinMarketCap shows the correct market cap. Pretty ironic, as they are called CoinMarketCap. But let's just assume they are 4.4 million in market cap. It's still looking pretty healthy, with a volume of 3.2 million and a volume to market cap of 73%. So the all-time chart doesn't look that good. Still, it's 90% down from all-time high, but you don't see a significant bump, right? The gaming narrative is just bleeding. Almost every gaming pick, which is launched in 2024, is down. So we've seen a small gaming run in 2023, mid-2023. So yeah, if you launched a gaming project in 2024, then you're seeing these kind of charts. Is that a bad thing? No, not at all. I'd rather buy at the bottoms than I buy at the tops. Obviously. So Neon Heroes, it's risky, but you gotta take into consideration it's only few million in market cap. It's already listed on crypto.com exchange, Bybit, Bitget. I mean, for me, it's worth it, right? 100x or dust. Ay. Yeah, I DC'd Mafia. I have to, man. I'm down a lot, but that's just part of the game. I'm not feeling anything, you know. But I do feel bad that I recommended Mafia at around, even at around $1 to you guys. I never expected that it would be going down that much, but yeah. We will see some positive green digits very, very soon, so the shakeout is never easy, guys. You thought it would be that easy. Oh, crypto. Oh, I want to be a millionaire. Let's watch a YouTube video. Oh, wait, this one has the potential to go to a 50x. Let's put a grand on it. Hey, I got a 50,000 grand in my portfolio. I'm cashing out. No, man, it's not that easy, man. It's a roller coaster. And that's why I'm pushing it every freaking week. Like, a stoic mindset will be everything. And if you cannot handle a 60% discount, you don't deserve a 60x multiplier. For example, I bought Bonk when was it? Yeah, early 2023. And then it went down 70%. So my 5 grand went to like, no, not 5 grand, $500 went to around $200, right? Am I selling? No. Am I panicking? No. I'm just sitting on my bags. I didn't DCA because I was like, okay, this is a low cap meme coin, moon or dust. I'm not DCAing, I'm just letting it ride. Then suddenly, bonk, got a freaking Coinbase listing and did a 40x in a matter of 2 weeks. So this is how fast it can go. So I will not be shaken out after a 70, 80, 60%, right? But know when you do it. Just have some knowledge about the Fourier cycles, then you're good. I don't see any RWA tokens in your list. This narrative will be big. Who knows? I don't think so, man. Just because there's a lot of noise and BlackRock is touching it and with all these crap, they are not our friends. And I don't like RWAs. This is probably something for the next bull run, for Agenda 2030. But in my opinion, this will be an AI narrative bull run. But who knows? Narratives switch fast. I always say be prepared for everything. Have some exposure in each narrative. So I am also holding a RWA coin. I just don't want to expose it. It's strictly for my private community. It's a low cap, backed by a lot of credible investors and on big exchanges. Solana 2x, I think the price could be 400, 500, so that's around 200, 250 billion. Yeah, for Solana, I think that's a reasonable prediction. All right, so let's go to the gaming ones. I think OTK is a decent low cap. What can I say? Mobile game. Also credible backers, low cap. Lack of exchanges, but they have a KuCoin exchange listing, so I think that's pretty cool. And yeah, same for Myria. I think it's decent. Also the price, it's very attractive for the normies. It's less than a penny. They will buy a few 100,000 and they will hoping for the $1. Now Myria, let's just see. Also a gaming infrastructure play. Ethereum, a layer 2 on Ethereum. So 42 million in market cap. Yeah, the chart looks very terrible. So same, it's a low cap gaming infrastructure play. Doxed team, they are letting third parties also build on their ecosystem, but they are also developing their own games. So they are having a bit of both. Also, look at the exchange listings, guys. Bybit, BitGet, KuCoin. I think Myria is one. That's decent. That's decent, right? My best gaming conviction is like Beam and Neon. I put my money on that one. Bull run seems like it's over. Any positive news just makes the market dump. Yeah, it's lovely. That's supposed to be a shakeout, my friend. People expect a huge candle with positive news. But you know, when everything or when everyone expects something, like literally everyone, the opposite happens. And that's why I always say, like, if the majority is looking at the right side, you got to look at the left side and vice versa. That's why 1% wins and 90% will get wrecked. Crypto is not easy, my friends. And right now, if I go on the socials, if I go on X, if I go on Facebook, people are depressed as fuck, man. Wow. And you know what makes me that? Freaking bullish. That makes me freaking bullish. So look at this fucking fear porn. I'm not sure if I... Yeah, there was some fear porn. Anyway, I didn't share it on X. So let's get to the picks. Because on Facebook, man, wow. This is Facebook is the Times Square of the normies. These guys, the only thing I see is doom posting. Like, I lost my money, crypto is a scam, XRP is a scam. Shut the fuck up, man. Now, Cardano as well. If you're holding Cardano, like Alex Becker would say, you're a cuck. Okay? You like to see your wife getting banked by 3 different nationalities. Okay. Not worth it. Cardano, Turbo, Shiba, XR shit, and ICP. Now another one, which I think is worth it, is Sai. Also a layer 1. If you missed Sui, you can get in Sai. So it's a very fast layer 1. I think they say that they are the fastest, but it's sitting at 1 billion. Yeah. Now layer 1s and layer 2s tend to do it very, very well in the bull run. Previous bull run, the bull run before that, layer 1s, layer 2s, a lot of liquidity will be poured in those picks. Sai, definitely want to put on your watch list. It's precisely 1 billion. Also listed on Binance, Bybit, Coinbase. There's a shitload of connections behind it. And once alt season will start, Sai will also pump like crazy. If you want to buy bottoms, then here you have one. No financial advice. Blaney, are you still holding Brad, and do you think Brad can reach 20 billion in market cap? Yeah, I do think so. I still do. Did you know that Brad got flooded a lot? Like a lot. It was being called a scam, this and that. You know what? You know when? When we were sitting here. So this was, oh no, Brad this, Brad that. Okay, it's going up. Oh no, it's a fucking scam. So then it was sitting at what? 266 million in market cap. And then boom, it went all the way up. To what market cap? Let's just see. Oh yeah, oh, this is so annoying. 2.2 billion in market cap. Okay, so currently it's sitting at a 80% discount. Now we haven't seen shit, guys. If you think the bull run is over, you have never ever seen a bull run. We are still sitting in a bull run and alt season is around the corner. So if you never ever experienced a alt season, this is how it's gonna be. You're waking up. You see, wow, my pick is 30% up. Wow, my other pick is 40% up. Oh my God, it's 50% up. Jesus Christ. And your greedy ass, you will not take profits. Obviously, because we have never seen anything like this. You will be so euphoric. Okay, next day. Wow, it's up another 50%. Oh my God, my other pick is up 20%. All you will see is triple green digits. You will see triple green digits. Your portfolio will double, and you will be greedy as hell. You'll be thinking, why the fuck would I take profits if my portfolio is just rising like a morning boner of Blaney, right? So, Brad, 20 billion in market cap, still possible. What's that? A 40x. Now, I don't have Brad. I'm not sure. Why did I forget it? It's one of my picks still. And it's actually back on my initial buy. And I didn't take any profits. So yeah, I round tripped this one. But I don't see this as, oh man, I should have had taken profits. I could have had bought back cheaper, right? Fuck that shit. I just see this as an opportunity. If I want more tokens, I can buy more at these prices. Am I buying more? No, I'm good. Why? Because there are lots of tokens which were too high for my liking in a decent entry, just like Tau. So I rather spend my money on Tau or something else than on bread, because my bag is already packed and I'm ready for the next leg up. So let me add bread. Let me add bread for a little bit. Hang on. It's decent. It's not top tier. It's still risky. I know a lot of people are shitting on Crash, but Cabal plays will eventually last the longest. What? The live stream froze? By the way, Chuan, it didn't get... The live stream froze? I think it's your problem. So yeah, 20 billion is a 40x. I think it is possible. It's not impossible, but it's not a guaranteed. Bread is still risky. Meme coins will remain risky. Sold to 650, 800. So that's like a 3-4x. I can live with that. The wolf on Sol is the real one. Remember that? Man, I received so much hate from the Landwolf Sol community when I made that video on Landwolf ETH. So instead of pivoting their shitty Sol play into the real Landwolf on ETH, they chose to hate on me. And they saw their portfolio getting wrecked at 90%. And I made like a 15x with Landwolf. That's the best revenge you can get, bro. When Lambo, please. When Based Turbo goes to 100 million in market cap. Thoughts on AI agents like Tetsuo and Top Hat? I never ever heard of Top Hat, my friend. But Tetsuo, I think that's a decent one. That's a decent one. However, now I come to my point. AI agents, there are thousands and thousands of it. So I'm not really keen on investing into an AI agent. I rather want to invest into something on top of that. So, for example, a lot of AI agents are being launched on virtuals, right? That's the daddy of all AI agents. So I am bullish on AI agents, but I want to be a little bit more safer because the whole AI agent market is saturated, be honest. Hundreds and hundreds of AI agents are getting listed every day. And the backbone is almost every time the same, right? So I choose virtuals just to be safe and to be in the AI agent narrative as well. And smash the like button. Thank you, my friend. How many likes do we have? Shall we set another record, a monthly record? I'm not even sure if I surpassed 100 likes this year. Guys, if you could just smash the likes, that'll be amazing. That'll be amazing. In the meantime, I'll just add another pick, which is OORT. OORT. I think it's worth it. Why do I think it's worth it? It got the best tier 2 exchanges. It is partnered with BNB Greenfield. They will be the data provider or the storage provider for the BNB chain. Come on, guys. Binance. It's almost a no-brainer, right? Plus, they are partnered with Lenovo and another major company. I think Dell as well. So yeah, that's huge. OORT. They received a Google grant as well. There's a lot of alpha. I think I made tons and tons of videos and tweets about OORT. So put it on your watch list. Currently, it's pretty cheap. Just like every coin. So you cannot miss. 20 million in market cap, 6 cents. Chart is bottoming. Biggest tier 2 exchanges. The tier 1s are lacking. Now, do your own research, guys. But Ort, definitely one to put on your watch list. Every pick here. Every pick. Maniki. It's worth it. I receive a lot of questions about Maniki. Maniki is a pick which fucked my portfolio. I was a big holder, and I wanted to say I still am, but there's almost nothing left. So the price is really disappointing me with Maniki, but it doesn't change the fact that the fundamentals are still there. And with fundamentals, I don't mean utility. I mean marketing. Lots and lots of marketing. I have the idea that the team has been taking some profits, has been selling some tokens to actually get the big marketing pushes. I mean, Maniki is everywhere. It's in UFC sports. It's in the football stadiums, right? There's a lot of products coming as well. So, considering the team has a shitload of money for marketing, exchange listings, etc., it's already on the biggest tier 2 exchanges. BitGet, KuCoin, Maxi. And you know what? Look at the volume. 34% volume to market cap ratio. This one has always a volume to market cap ratio above the 20%. Could it be volume bots? Could be. But it doesn't matter for me. Now, I apologize for everyone who aped in their full life savings into this cat, because it went down like a 93% from all-time high. So if you bought at all-time highs, you would be pretty wrecked. I bought at around 009, 008. So I am kinda wrecked too, but yeah. What can I say? I still have conviction. I'm just sitting on my backs and I wait for the reversal. I'm not stressing, my friends. Meme coins should only take a small portion of your portfolio. Now, I was very stupid, as Maniki was one of my biggest bags. So yeah, these months are kind of painful. But I'm very happy I got a lot of nodes, AI agent nodes, so I'm also earning free tokens every day without buying anything. So if you want to know what node I'm holding, my AI agent node, wow, I can't even pronounce it. It's this video. Earn daily passive income with AI agents. I'm buying Swarm nodes. So it's on the USDT SUI network. It costs 999. Lots of benefits. Very interesting. So I'm earning tokens every freaking day. Doesn't matter. Bearish times, bullish times, I'm getting these tokens in my wallet. And in 2 months, there will be the token generation event. And then I can finally get my money. Dorvid, bro. How are you doing, man? I missed you. We all missed you. Are you still bullish on SLF and ML? SLF? Mid layer? No, my friend. Mid layer, I'm not bullish. 6-7 months ago, I think I talked about it in a live stream. I sold my mid layer. Ages ago. I stumbled upon some red flags and that's it. Okay, another one, Griffin. I think it's worth it. It's in a nice discount. Alex Becker will be pumping your bags. AI is the future. This one got a lot of hype. A lot of KOLs, influencers will be pushing it. So Yeah, no brainer. Am I holding it myself? No. Am I looking for a position? Maybe. If you want to know what I'm buying and what I'm selling and what I'm putting on my watch list, or if you actually want to profit by taking a look into the new listings app, right? In my private Discord, you will be alerted when something gets on a tier 1. So that's very interesting. You can front run the sell the news event or buy the rumor. Are you paid by Base Turbo? No, my friend. I'm in direct contact with the team. I just know these guys. That's why I can just push them with conviction, right? Look, if some random project pays me and I'm just shilling it, I think I have made like 2 videos on Base Turbo and like 3-4 dedicated live stream where I mention them. If they rock, I will lose my credibility, right? Now, if some random shit project pays me to shill it and they rocked, then where's my credibility? So I am saying, Base Turbo, I know the team. That's one. There's a lot of things coming, like exchange listings and the game. It's in development. That's 2, 3. So I still have reasons to believe in it, right? But if some crappy project pays me to shill, I don't have conviction myself. And I don't trust these fuckers. So I'm not going to shill you guys to buy that project. So yeah, no paid promos for me, my friend. Thoughts on Zealous? It's a nice pick. Similar to Cass. Also with the Rust. I didn't do a deep dive, but maybe it's a nice little low cap, right? Ort and Sensei top tier. Yeah, probably. I like Sensei. I like what they're doing. I recently bought 4 Swarm nodes, so I don't have much left to buy these discounts at the moment, but I'll keep on holding my other crypto coins while others panic and sell. You, my friend, you will probably be one of the 1%. Shout out to the people who aren't getting shaken out and have a stoic mindset. By the way, congratulations on your 4 Swarm nodes, man. Are you in the Discord? Maniki is a jam. Maniki is a jam. Yeah, there are no team tokens on Maniki. Bro, Wintermute bought $2 million OTC. So that means off the counter. So without a exchange. So the team has definitely token supply to pay KOLs, to pay influencers and exchanges. And even investment funds. How does nodes work? When you buy a node, you will actually be... How do you actually say that? My English is so trash. You will be helping running the ecosystem. So basically, I bought a node on the dashboard. And then you will see, okay, you have one node and you will get daily rewards. Now I'm talking about the Swarm nodes, okay? I'm not really sure about other nodes because the Swarm nodes are the only nodes I'm holding. But you can participate in the ecosystem by just get a license. And as long as you have that license, and the earlier you have that license, you'll get token rewards, so daily tokens. So these tokens, you're just saving them. You cannot sell them yet because the project is not out yet. But you are an early investor into these nodes to keep the network up and running as well. So you're also a pioneer. Now, after 2 months, we have the TGE, so the token will be launched. Does that mean we can sell the tokens we've been getting the past few weeks, months? You can sell them, but with a penalty. So the first month, it will be 70%. I think the second month will be like 30%. And the third month, we can just sell our tokens. Just because they want to maintain the price. They want to prevent people from selling all the tokens at day one. Otherwise, you get a token generation event, and then the chart will go down like a straight L. It will ruin the chart as well. So yeah, if you want to know how does the node work, you have to actually watch my video, man. Otherwise, it will be a very, very long video, and I'm actually ranking picks. I'm getting off track, guys. Why are you asking me these questions? Okay, I'm not going too deep into these picks. Okay, Cardano. We got 2 Cardanos. They are trash. Tron, I think it's decent. It had a nice run before. It's not that, but yeah. It's a solid blue chip. And I do believe it will have another run. Justin Sun knows what he's doing. Then I got a question mark, and it's worth it. Because this is a gaming AI pick, which is a secret gem in my private group. Whoops. So people in the private group, you know what I'm talking about. But I just wanted to do a shout out to this coin. And remember you that it's still in a decent buying zone, okay? So don't wait for my buy alerts. Look at the picks and look for yourself whether pick is in the best opportunity for you, right? If you're looking for a gaming pick, that's a decent pick. If you're looking for an AI pick, that same pick is also decent. So take a look at the secret gem category. Foxy, okay. We have Foxy. I think it's worth it to have a small bag. I think it's worth it. Why? To front run the hype. Look, layer 1s, layer 2s, they tend to do it very well. There is one layer 2 on Ethereum, which is not even out yet. The TGE will be very soon. And there will probably a lot of hype surrounding it. So this is Linea blockchain. Now, Linea itself doesn't have a token out yet. But there's already something built on Linea, which is Foxy. So Foxy is like the mascot of the Linea blockchain. Let's see if we can get to the website. I don't think so. Oh, we can. So this is Foxy. Welcome to the world of Foxy. Foxy is the mascot of the Linea blockchain. Every chain needs a champion, and we like the Fox. Top tier partners, top tier exchanges. So if we head over to the markets, bullish as hell. I am holding a bag. Also, this one is a no-brainer, guys. Bybit, OKX, KuCoin. No tier 1s, but eventually it will happen. It will happen. No financial advice, but I am bullish on Linea. Nobody really cares. But you gotta front run the hype. And I'm definitely having a bag of Foxy. Okay, then we got Fefi. I think that's a nice degen trade. I first talked about it when it was 800k. It went all the way up to 12 million. A 14x for you. Thank you, Blaney. You're welcome. Do I think it's up for another run? It all depends on the community. I do think that the community is still alive. But with CTOs, the problem is, will they have money for exchange listings? Because that means everything. I think this is a nice degen trade. But don't throw in more money than you can afford to lose. I still love Fefi. I'm still holding a small moon bag. But Considering everything went down 90%, my moon back, there's nothing left of it. So yeah, I still believe in Fefi, but it's a risky pick. Now I do believe that Hoppy is still worth it. There was a lot of FUD. There was a new name, Mystery, and that coin just skyrocketed. All the liquidity was being taken out of Hoppy, being poured in Mystery. But I do believe that that was a fake narrative. Hoppy is still there. Hoppy is still having a certic audit. I mean, we had Peppy of the Night Riders. Wow, wow, this is so bad. We had Peppy of the Boys Club. Then we have Hoppy of the Night Riders, the main frog. It still fits the narrative, guys. So Gate.io, BingX, it has some nice exchanges, but we would love to see more exchanges. So I'm actually, is it worth it or decent? You know what? It's decent. I'm not really sure if it's worth it, to be honest. I still have conviction, but it's also risky, right? It's also risky. By the way, guys, how many likes do we have? 26. We can do better, man. We can do better. I can cheer you up. Is this too loud? Let me know. Smash the likes. It's appreciated. And feel free to share some altcoins which I can rank for you. Pump it up, man. Pump it up. Pump up the likes. You can do it. You can do it. Thank you. I totally forgot about that one. So, we have Doko to the moon. I think that's a very nice pick. So, you want to be exposed in each ecosystem. Now Doko to the moon is a ordinals meme coin or BRC20 or how you want to call it. And it's just a question if it will perform. But if it's performing, then you can catch a lot of people off guard. So I think it's worth it. Doko to the moon. Let's just see how much in discount it is. I will turn off the music in a bit. Okay. Doko to the moon, currently sitting at 282 million in market cap. I believe it almost went to 1 billion, but it got to that psychological level of 900 somewhat. Let's just see. See? People put out sell orders, limit orders just below the 1 billion. So 2 times it just didn't surpass the 1 billion. That happens often. So also watch for psychological levels. The 250, the 500, the 750, and the 1000. And it doesn't matter whether it's degen trading, you're looking at the case, or millions, or hundreds and hundreds of millions. Those are psychological levels. And if you're swing trading or whatever you're doing, take a look at these levels, okay? So Doko to the moon. Let's take a look at the markets. I'm actually curious. What exchange listings? BitGet, okay. Maxi, Gate.io. There's also a shitload of money behind it. So Doko to the moon contract. Yeah, that's the Ordinals meme coin. I think that's unique. And that one is the key meme coin. Doko to the moon. Love the narrative. So that's why I think it's worth it. Then we have Ori Chain. I think it's decent. It's one of my picks. I'm holding it myself. I'm staking it. But this is my solid pick. I don't expect a 50x from it. I can see it do maybe a 5x or 10x or 15x, but I'm just chilling out, staking it. And with the staking rewards, I'm just pivoting into some meme coins or something. They have a lot of products. The AI Ori chain is a huge ecosystem. There's already a couple of projects built on them. They got listed on very unfavorable times at the end of previous bull run. But now with the AI narrative bull run, I do believe that AI Ori chain, I'm calling it AI because it says AI, but Ori chain is decent. They had terrible vesting in the bear market. That's why the chart is looking so terrible. Most of the tokens are in circulation now, so vesting won't be a problem. So AI Ori chain, Jesus, is a decent one, but not something I would just FOMO in right now. Like, oh my God. I'm actually thinking to pivot my Ori chain into the top tier picks. Because these are just in discount, man. The top tier picks are in huge discount. Is Peppy 2.0 a scam? I don't know, man. There are hundreds and hundreds of Peppy 2.0s. I'm not a fan of that. Another sunny day. We got VentureMind. I will check VentureMind. So currently sitting at 7.4 million in market cap. What is it? Ooh, the chart is looking very good. Okay, so it's like 3 months old. Ooh, the only exchange listing is Maxi. Little bit of a red flag. Okay, it's a decentralized application platform built on the Solana blockchain, designed to provide AI tools, robotics, and Web3 integrations in a single ecosystem. Is this just like Dars AI? I think it's the same. Let's take a look at the website. Oh, it was this one. This one has probably sell taxes as well. This one looks a bit sketchy in my opinion. Wow, and now there's a song coming. Thank you. Platform launch, Q1. So in Q2 and Q4, full robotic and marketplace rollout. Okay, who's behind this project? I would like to know. Okay, product, and I can sign up and that's it. Oh, Terra as partners, that's huge. Deep Robotics. Is this legit? All right, we got Jermaine Anugwan, founder and CEO. Okay, the team is doxed. You can actually find them on LinkedIn as well. Okay, so this is interesting. This is interesting. However, about the use case, it reminds me of Dars AI. But this is a nice low cap. Let's see if there's sell and buy taxes. Otherwise, I wouldn't touch it, man. We can't see that. Okay, so it's 10 million in market cap. Yeah, nice one, man. Docs team, AI narrative. You got some nice partners. I think this is a nice degen trade. Venture Mind. Look, I'm not sure if I would sleep well if I'm holding this. So that's why I put this as... Jesus. Is it this? Yeah, it's this one. Venture Mind. It's not looking bad. It's just... meh. I think it's decent. Let's put it in the decent category. Do you guys agree? I mean, AI narrative is bullish. Okay, now we have FUD sitting over here, little dog. Let's get to the chart. So this is a meme coin on the Sui ecosystem. You know that I'm bullish on the Sui ecosystem. And I like to have some leverage plays. So one of them is FUD the Pudge. Best ever meme. Well, price-wise, it's a bit disappointing, but all the memes have been bleeding a lot lately. So let's check the socials and we can judge them based on that. So, FUD the Pudge, 24.5k followers, everyday content. Well, not every day. I mean, they're kind of lacking. Like, we see at least a post every week, but I would like to see it every day. So that means they will get not a high rank at the moment. But I think it's a decent pick. I think it's a decent pick. It's one of the oldest meme coins on Sui. I think it got listed in 2023, December. 6 million in market cap is nothing, guys. Also, the website it's looking very good, well branded. I don't love this dog, man. So what I do like, and some people see it as a red flag. Look at the tokenomics, it's not fair launched. No, they are holding some supply for what? Community, for airdrops, get the community engaged, etc. Maybe contributors, strategic reserve, so it's for marketing pushes, exchange listings. A team always need to have some tokens free for marketing, for whatever, to spend it. Just to get a nice progress of the project, to develop further, right? Okay, now we have Punky. I think it's decent, but it's not something that it's worth it. I like Punky. They have the best marketing ever. They have the best tier 2s. But I don't know, man. I have mixed feelings about Punky. They have the best tier 2s. I have to say that. What do you guys think? It's a dilemma. Yeah, I think it's decent. It will pump anyway, but how much will it pump, right? Okay, now we have Myro. I don't think it's worth it. It had a nice run 2 years ago, or at least in 2023. Less catalysts left. I mean, what is happening with Myro? Are they still active? I mean, 17 million in market cap. They really fucked it up. So clearly they don't know how to manage a project. I wouldn't sleep well holding this project. So Myro, it's not worth it, man. Now I do think that Tectum is worth it. Why? It's very low in market cap. I know a lot of people are doubting whether it's still a good pick. But like I said in the beginning of the stream, price shouldn't change your conviction. If something has been changing with the fundamentals or the team is just lacking, then okay, your conviction can change. But if nothing happened fundamentally and the team is still cooking it and only the price is shit, don't get shaken out. Use this as an opportunity. I bought it at around $11 before it went over the $40. And I thought, well, fuck, man. I should have had bought more. Now, guess what? You have another opportunity. It's down 93%. It's also not listed on the best markets. But they were able to get on a lot of exchanges the last year. Also, I do believe with the soft nodes, a lot of institutional monies will go in. So Tectum, it's also having a spot in my portfolio. And I think it's worth it. So that about Tectum. Now another one, Tars AI. I think it's a top tier project, backed by Solana, backed by a lot of credible venture companies, venture funds, hedge funds. Never mind. Yeah, a venture, right? So right now, it's also down significantly. It's sitting at 18 cents right now, okay. And 130 million in market cap. So if this one goes to Tao's market cap, that'll be at 20x. So Tars AI, backed by Solana, very bullish. Best exchanges like Bybit, Maxi, but no tier 1s. Also, I would like to see a BitGet. That would be a nice addition, but there's definitely a lot of money behind it. And I'm definitely holding a lot of Tars AI as well. Are you holding Tars AI? Let me know in the comments. Okay, Bonk. I talked about Bonk in this live stream. And it's my old love. This is my first 40x in the bull market. So it happened 2 years ago. A 1.3 billion market cap. Guys, let's do something funny. Nobody gives a shit about Bonk, but if a project gets partnered with Bonk, for example, OTK partnered with Bonk, you saw a huge price bump. Okay, so Bonk is a credible name in the industry. And it went all the way up to, I'm not sure what market cap it went. Okay, 4 billion in market cap. Now it's sitting at 1.3 billion in market cap. So it's in a 70% discount. However, the catalysts are not there. So I think it's decent, but I don't think it's worth it. It's on Coinbase. It's on Binance already. So over the 1 billion as well. I don't see anyone super bullish on Bonk. What do you guys think? No Toshi? Yeah, I can rank Toshi. I think Toshi is a good one. See how I do it. Toshi. Look, it's very hard to just rank every single meme coin. Alright? But I will rank Toshi for you guys. So I know for a fact that Toshi will get a Coinbase listing as well. Are they already listed or not? 288 million in market cap. Wow. Bybit, Coinbase. Yeah, so they already have a Coinbase listing. Obviously, it's on the base chain. I don't know what he is listing. What is he saying, bro? Big shout out to the broke fucking bum fucks for triggering my buy limit order for 50 million more Toshi. I'm literally half asleep laying an Egyptian silk sheet and could give a fuck less about the panic selling bum fucks, thinking the alt season is cancelled. The truth is, most of these bums ain't ever gonna be rich like I am. Like any of the true believers will be in a couple months. Toshi is God. I fucking love it, man. Yeah, decent exchanges. They got a Coinbase listing. I like Toshi as well. But this is not a time to buy. So it recently exploded. I hope you guys took some profits. Always take some profits with double digits green. Okay? And never take 100% profits. Just gradually. DCA the way in. DCA the way out. But I like Toshi. But for now, just put it on your watch list. If you're holding it and took some profits, congratulations. But wait for it to come down. I think next support, maybe it is sitting on next support level. I'm not sure. I have to do some TA on that, but hey, not a lot of time. I'm live for 1 hour and 25 minutes. So let's wrap it up in a bit. So Toshi, I think it's worth it. It is worth it. But wait for the price to actually form a new floor. Now we have memecoin. I have no idea why this is sitting in here. I never ever looked at it. But I know for a fact that it's Murat's pick. And he shielded at the top. Now I'm going to shield it at the bottom. Okay? Because I will never ever recommend you to buy something that has pumped so much. You gotta buy more and believe. Hell no. Take some fucking profits at the top and buy back lower. And now it's the time, okay? Double digits green, take some profits. Double digits red, take action. Because when you take profits from a pick, I know the urge to immediately invest into another gem or another pick is big, but don't do that. Try to sit on your dry powder or on your profits, on your USDT for a few weeks. And why do I say that? Because we will see bullish sentiment, bearish sentiment, bullish sentiment, bearish sentiment, and take advantage of the drops. Buy back lower. Just don't round trip. I round tripped with some picks, but the majority of time when we are seeing green digits, take some profits. And it doesn't have to be the full 100%, at least 50% or your initials, so you won't get wrecked. Okay? Okay. So memecoin, 329 million. It got some decent markets. This will get pushed by Murat. So here you go. Buy at the bottoms. I think it's worth it. Don't you think, guys? I think it's worth it. If you're looking for a meme coin, it's worth it. Solidus AI Tech, GPU marketplace, AI marketplace. A lot of hype when it was at all-time highs and a lot of crying people because it went down, I think, more than 90%. But let's take a look. The data center is almost there. And oh wow, it's almost at my entries. So here you go, guys. I bought it here at 3 cents. I think we made a 16x from here. I took some profits and my initials, but I'm still holding a bag. And I'm almost coming to a point that I'm going to DCA if it will go back down lower. But I don't believe this will go down lower. So Solidus AI Tech, 89% down from all-time high. I know a lot of people ask me here, is it too late to buy AI Tech at the top? Is it too late to buy AI Tech? Dude, now it's in discount. Don't ask me anything, okay? Solidus AI Tech is worth it. It is worth it. Now I got a question mark. Top tier, Patreons. I have another secret gem. It's a layer 1. It's sub 100 million in market cap. Decent exchanges, decent backers and partners. It's brand new and I do believe that this one can go to a 50x. So if you want to know which one it is and you want to join the Patreon, get in the private group, guys. Don't lone wolf this bull run. Don't get wrecked. So I have a couple of long-term picks and secret gems. The secret gems just slowly accumulate. Don't, if you have 1,000 to spend for the month, don't spend 1,000. Just do 250 weekly or so, right? DCA, tiny bits, gradually. So yeah, if you want to know what I'm buying, what I'm selling, if you want to grow as an investor, if you want to see the bots in the in the private Discord group, we have a wallet tracker as well, a listings bot. There's a lot of alpha, man. So I am going to wrap it up. And I hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. Just put these picks on your watch list. Yeah, we got Tau. I'm super bullish on it. We got Beam. We got Caspa. And one of these picks, which I'm not holding Virtuals. I'm not holding Avalanche. I'm not holding Popcat. I'm not holding Neon. Yeah, I am holding Neon Heroes. I'm not holding Sai. Okay, so this is not to pump my own bags. I do believe these picks are very good. Maybe it's a bit biased over here with the top tier, but I do believe they are a top tier project, so I'm in pretty heavy. So I put action where my mouth is. But yeah, we have one degen pick. You know what? I give you guys one degen pick. It's a filthy degen pick, okay? Very, very, very filthy. Now, some people, you know, Fart Boy, it went crazy. Okay, so there is a derivative. And I actually shared this one in my private Discord too, but let me share it with you guys as well, as it is heavily undervalued. So the plan is to actually grow it organically over time. Just grow it. Okay, so it's a pump fund launch. I cannot tell you everything because I don't know, but I know it's a small team. They want to grow it organically. And then if we found a nice floor, they will be pushing. Okay, so this is the Bominator. That's another degen pick. So if you want to know which one that is, wait. We got Bominator over here, degen pick. So Fart Boy, we've seen a lot of Fart Boy derivatives. Let's just see where it went. Wow. We see a Fart Boy. Look at this, man. 148 million in market cap. So, yeah. Sky's the limit, guys. So this is a derivative play, a degen play. Very risky. Don't throw in more money than you can afford to lose. But I put in one soul in this one. And it's down 40%. But I'm just holding on to it. 45k in market cap. If this one goes to a 5 million in market cap, that's 100x, guys. Is it possible? I do believe. I trust these people. So, yeah, let's see, man. Let's see. Moon or dust. Are you with me? I'll put the X in the chat. So, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you very much. If you could just smash the likes for the last time, I appreciate it. Guys, I see you in the next one. Peace. Altcoin season is around the corner, and are you still out there lone wolfing it and making terrible decisions with your portfolio? It's time to stop. Let's get your portfolio and mindset sorted out. Join my private Discord and level up as an investor. In the group, you'll gain access to exclusive PDF courses where I share all the insights and experience I've picked up over the last 8 years. You'll also get my long-term buy alerts and sell alerts based on high conviction plays, and for the real degens, we've got short-term trades that hit when the market is ready. And man, we have made some crazy gains in the last few months. And guess what? This is just the beginning. So if you want to grow your network, see what I am doing in this crypto space, and grow as an investor, join now before prices go up.